What is up, guys? So today I have for the iPhone 15 Pro, and today I'm going to be applying this screen protector, so let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and just unbox this. If I can figure out how to. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it looks like we got this little, we got Care Plus of some sort. I'm pretty sure this is the thing to okay, this is what you put the phone onto. Oh, this is nice actually, like a microfiber-ish. That's just extra screen protectors. Let's put that aside. Okay, let me take this phone out of the case. So I'm sure as you know by now, the iPhone 16 Pro is bigger than the iPhone 15 Pro, so you'll not be able to use this screen protector for an iPhone 15 Pro or later. So only for the iPhone 16 Pro. So let's go ahead and clean this. Let's see, we have a wet wipe. Let's give you guys a peel. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this off. Or out, I guess. Okay. Let's go ahead and give it a wipe. And I will say, if you want to see my review on the iPhone 16 Pro, definitely consider subscribing. That'd mean a lot. Okay, so microfiber. Get all nice and clean. Dust removal sticker. Just get a good look. See if there's any dust. Shut off. Rough. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's see, what's what? Press here. Where is here? Hold on. Literally says top right there. Okay, so let's put this, let's put it on. Ooh. Okay, and then put your finger down here. Okay. Oh. Was that okay? Oh, that was fine. Okay. Nice. Let's get all the bubbles out. Is there a thing to just scrape the bubbles out with? There is not. That's fine. So let me just work all the bubbles out real quick. Okay, so most of them work themselves out, and I'm assuming it'll just take a little bit like most screen protectors do. So yeah, so that was kind of a boring video, but this is definitely a great screen protector. As you saw, installation was super easy. Probably would have been better if I actually read the instructions. But yeah, super easy to just, honestly, like, I didn't read the instructions, so I just kind of knew how to do it. I'm going to take a little squeegee that I have to kind of work the bubbles out. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, so most of them worked themselves out with a squeegee, or I guess I worked it out. But yeah, so I will have a pinned comment if they don't, I guess, disperse within a day. So yeah, just check the comments, check back on this video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, subscribe for my review on the iPhone 16 Pro. As you can see, it's Friday, September 20th, so this video will probably be out tonight. So most likely the review will be out, probably, what's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Saturday, duh. So it'll probably be out Saturday, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more iPhone content. Thanks for watching.